Hey guys, we're back at SSP. A couple of guys asked about sunroof glass and how to replace the sunroof glass. This specific vehicle we're in, it's all tore apart. Hopefully yours doesn't look like this at home. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace this glass right here. You drive down the freeway, rock hits it, chips, whatever, glass, breaks.
Tree branch,
whatever it may be. You got a crack from frost or whatever. It's super simple, 5 minutes. It looks like it'd be hard, but it's actually not. Slide this thing back all the way so you got a clear view of the glass. If it's broken, make sure that the track system, everything's closed. Even if the glass is broken, it's gonna be the easiest way to pull it out. There's these little plastic things right here. There's one here, one there, and one there. If you stick your clip remover and just wiggle this plastic, you don't even need a clip remover. I'm just in a shitty position. But there's two 10s right here. And it's got some shims on the bottom, so make sure you take account for that. There's one more right here. I'm gonna pop these off. We don't need them. There's two more 10s right here, and there's two on that side. You grab your gun or just your hand socket, whatever it may be. Just go ahead and loosen these. These 10 nuts. There's two on each side. See, I'll take these two out. I'll take this one out. I'll take this one out. Believe it or not, see, the glass is loose. These are the shims I was talking about. Make sure, if two fell out of this one, make sure two go back in that one. So hold on to these, your 10s. Same thing on that side. Let's go to loosen that up. Again, we got two more of these black clips right here. Drop one here and drop one there. Go ahead and just, now, there's more shims over here too. Actually, look at that. There's three on that side, and there's two here. When installing it, you can take these shims and you can slide them in afterwards. That's why they're grooved with the holes. So don't worry about them. You put them in last. I'd get a piece of paper, write down the front right has 2, this has 4, that has 5. And all it has to do with the leveling of the roof up here. But now it's all loose. If you look up here, come up here. The glass is loose. If you have a roof rack, I suggest taking the roof rack off. You really don't have to. Have your brother or somebody help you out. If you pull up like this on both sides, you could slide the glass out to the back, or you can slide the glass out to the front. If it's broken, it's just going to be like a frame. Just get it out. Make sure you guys vacuum all the glass out. So going back in is easy. Once you've put the new glass in, just kind of lay it in here, get in underneath and just wiggle it around till all the 4 bolts get into its spot. Come on down here, I'll show you. You got your new glass, you put it up in there, it's trying to fit it in. See right here, you got it in these little, this one's not in the spot, almost in the spot. You got one right here, it's kind of stuck, if you just play with it, all 4 will pop into its spot, like this one is. There you go, it's all in there. So what you can do is, these things are spring loaded, so you're gonna push up on that, and Don't worry about the shims just yet. I believe the front, you guys wrote down how many shims you guys take out from the front, right? I didn't, because I really don't care for it, because we're just taking the car apart. But I'm showing you guys. Take the shim. After you put the 10s in, put these 10s in all the way around, all around, and then look at your paper. You wrote down how many shims came from which side. Then just go ahead and slide your shims in here before tightening it. And then I wouldn't tighten it too tight. I'd get it all the way around, and I would do it with the hand. I wouldn't do it with this. You might break it. And then just pop the covers back on. Very simple. The little clips. It's just a. Let me show you guys. It's got these guys right here, and there's 2 little holes, and they just slide into that hole, and that's it. So if you got broken glass, it shouldn't take you any more than, I think you might spend more time cleaning the glass than actually installing the new one. We do sell them. Call us if you need it. If your track system is broken, oh man, you gotta drop the headline and a lot more work. But just to replace the cracked glass, it's super easy. There's no reason to take it to the dealership, pay a bunch of money. It's not worth the hassle. Just do it at home. Just make sure you vacuum all the glass out of the tracks. And obviously the interior. All right, that's it.